Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a hygiene shopping haul slash vlog. I don't know y'all, like I love hygiene products. I love going hygiene shopping. It's like once you get into buying like hygiene stuff, you can't get out of it. Like I just want to try everything. So I know I want to go in Bath and Body Works because there's a scent I want to see if they have lotion for, because I got the plugins for my house the other day, but I want to get some more plugins. I want to get possibly the candle and see if they have the lotion for it, which I don't need any more lotion, y'all. But Bath and Body Works, like they have a way to make you addicted to their products. Like once you start going in there and buying stuff, you just like cannot stop. So that's how I feel. So I need to go in Bath and Body Works, possibly go into Ulta as well, and then Target maybe. We're gonna see. So for sure Bath and Body Works and Ulta, and then possibly Target is what I meant to say. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Kara. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and let's get right into the video. Y'all, today's my lucky day because I've been wanting to try the strawberry tree hut scrub, so I finally get to try it. And strawberry is one of my favorite scents. I already know it's about to smell good. Y'all, they actually have an aisle over here with more tree hut scrubs. Some of them I never tried before, like never tried this one, this candied lemon, never tried that. Y'all, they have whipped boob polish and it's supposed to smooth and hydrate your boobies. I smelled it, it smells good. And then they also have the same thing for your butt. It's supposed to smooth, tighten, and glow your butt. I honestly been wanting to try these. They're only $5, but I really don't feel like I'm dark under my eyes. So I don't know if I would be able to tell if it's really doing anything or not. Okay, y'all, I'm leaving Ulta. I need to go. See, Ulta did not have the moisturizer that I use. So I'm about to have to go to Sephora to get the moisturizer that I use because I'm about to run out. So Ulta was out of it, so I need to go. I've already been in Bath and Body Works. I've already been inside of I've already been inside Bath and Body Works. I've already been inside Ulta, and now I'm about to do Sephora and Target. Sephora wasn't even on the list, but like I said, they didn't have what I needed exactly in Ulta, so I'm gonna go in Sephora and just get this moisturizer is the plan. Hopefully I don't come out with anything else. This is the moisturizer that I use. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I did get my moisturizer, and I went in there and got this one thing. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't look at anything else. I didn't look at no perfume. I stayed away from everything. And then I used my Beauty Insider points, and I got $10 off of it. So I only paid $6 for my moisturizer, my other 2 bags. And y'all, the last stop is, oh, it's dark. The last stop is Target. I have no choice but to go to Target. At first, at the beginning of the video, I was like, oh, I may go to Target. I don't have no choice because I need household things from Target too, like tissue and paper towel and stuff. So but last stop is Target, and then once we go in there, then I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got. So yeah, I need some more tampons. It's the same, 36, 34. I just need, yeah, because these are all regular. Just get these. I do not need to buy any more body scrubs because I just purchased 2 in Ulta. But y'all, I want to smell this because I'm curious to see what it smells like. I feel like there's something else that I smelled that smells just like this, but I think I'm gonna get a bar soap. I think I'm gonna get the bar soap. They only have the lemon sugar, but they have body washes, or whatever. I have plenty of body wash at home, y'all. So I don't think that I want to get the body wash. I think I'm gonna try the soap. Okay, I was thinking about like getting some bath bombs, but these look like they're for kids. And this one says kids on it. So do they not have bath bombs for adults? Because I don't see any. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got. These are the bags. Just set them over here. But this is what I ended up getting, and as y'all can see in the video, I went several different places. So the first thing I'm going to be showing y'all is this ultra repair cream that I purchased from Sephora, if you've seen that. And then I had enough beauty points to get $10 off of this. Been using this moisturizer for a very long time. And it works really well, y'all, especially if you have really dry skin, or you know, if you're like me, when the seasons change, if your skin gets really dry, this will help out. So this is my favorite moisturizer. So I got this from Sephora, as you've seen. The next thing is my deodorant that I use, and I got 2 of these. I use the Lady Speed Stick, and then I got the Soleil Glide razors. I talk about these all the time. I don't know if you guys are aware, but I think I've said this before, that you do not need any type of shaving cream or anything. It's basically moisturized, like has a moisture bar on the bottom and the top where you can just glide it while you're shaving. So makes for an easy shave. And I got that from Target. I'm starting with my Target items for my deodorant and my razors. And then the next thing I got from Target is the Raw Sugar Simply Bar Soap. And I got the lemon sugar scent. I'm so excited to try this. I have tried the scrub from them before, but I'm so excited to try the bar soap because I just know it's about to be like it, and I know it's about to smell good. The next thing that I got is these tampons. I always like to buy tampons like in advance. I don't like to wait until it's that time of the month and then I'm running like, oh, I need tampons. I rather just always have them. So I like recently, that time of the month ended recently, but I just make sure I stock up on these, and these are the tampons that I use. I was a pad girl until like through college, everything, but then pads started breaking out like the inside of my thighs, so that's why I switched to tampons, and these are my favorite. So that's everything from Target. Next, I'm going to show y'all what I got from Ulta. So I'm so excited, but I got the Tree Hut strawberry scrub, and then I got the Tree Hut pineapple scrub. And both of these smell so good. Now, so far, my favorite scrub from Tree Hut is the watermelon, just because the scent lingers on, and like your bathroom will smell like watermelon, everything. But I'm excited to try both of these. And when I went to Ulta to get them, the guy that works in there was telling me they had just got all this stuff in. Like, they had a huge Tree Hut section. And I don't know about your area, but for me, if you're a fan of the Tree Hut products, then Target carries some, Walmart carries some, but like Ulta has everything, like the scents, the like variety of everything. So, but I'm super excited. These are my Tree Hut's my favorite scrub right now. And then another item that I got from Tree Hut is the Sugar Lips, and this is a scrub for your lips. And I got this in the brown sugar scent. I'm super excited to try this because I know like when the weather changes, my lips get super dry, which they have been dry. They've been feeling super dry. I just got them like back to where I need them to be, but I'm super excited to start using a lip scrub because I've never used one. Last but not least, and like my favorite store, y'all, of all time right now is Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from there. So the first thing that I'm gonna show y'all is the Cinnamon Toast Shea Butter Cleansing Bar, and I cannot wait to try this bar soap. Like, I already know it's about to be everything. I already know it's about to smell good because I actually have lotion of the cinnamon toast, and then I also have a body mist. So this is a great scent. I don't know if Bath and Body Works has always been carrying soaps or if this is something like new, because they do not have it for every scent. But I already know, like, if they get this for like every scent, I'm gonna have a problem. I'm gonna have soaps in every scent, lotions in every scent, body mist in every scent. Like, y'all, I don't know. I just love Bath and Body Works, but I cannot wait to try this. I'm super excited. It just smells so good. And then the last few things I have, I don't know if you would consider it hygiene related, but I just feel like if you're getting yourself together to do like your hygiene routine, or you're taking a nice steamy bath or shower, whatever you want to set the mood, you want it to be smelling good. So I got a candle. I had got some of the plug-ins last month of this scent and it smelled really good. Like, I currently have them in now, but I got the cinnamon spiced vanilla candle, and y'all, it smells so good. I'm super excited to burn this in my house because I already know it's about to just smell so good. So I just feel like candles and smell good is important, like important, especially when you're like taking your shower, your bubble bath, everything. It'll really help set the mood. So y'all, make sure y'all pick this one up. And then I also have 3 of the plugins of that same scent, the cinnamon spiced vanilla. And then another scent that I have for plug-in is the raspberry and whipped vanilla. Smells so good, y'all. Smells so good. I just love Bath and Body Works, but I just feel like it's so addicting, like going in there. So yeah, y'all, that is everything that I got. I hope that you guys enjoyed this hygiene haul and vlog. I really enjoy filming these for you guys. I really enjoy trying new products. Let me know some of the products that I have that you want to try or that you've tried. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you have your post notifications on so you never miss a post. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye. I would like to get to know